The SmartKeeper optical disk drive lock physically blocks the use of DVD and CD drives. Use the lock key to remove. The optical disk drive lock will not work with a laptop or a slim DVD-CD drive. It requires a hole on the disk tray for the optical disk drive lock pin. To install the small hole lock pin, set the location of the hole. Select the lock pin to use. Insert the lock pin from the bottom of the disk tray. Attach the optical disk drive lock body to the lock pin. Close the optical disk drive lock body and insert the optical disk drive lock insert to secure. To install a large hole lock pin, insert the large lock pin from the bottom of the disk tray. Attach the optical disk drive lock body to the pin. Close the optical disk drive lock body and insert the optical disk drive lock insert to secure. There are three components to the SmartKeeper key: the open button, the side latch button, and the key header. Before inserting or removing the lock key from SmartKeeper devices, slide the open button all the way forward to close the key header. Slide the open button back slightly to engage the key header, or press the slide latch button to engage the key header. To remove the optical disk drive lock, slide the open button all the way to close the header and insert. Insert the lock key into the optical disk drive lock and engage the key header. Pull the lock out to release the optical disk drive lock insert. Open the optical disk drive lock body. Use the same process for the large hope pin.